No wake, David. It said no wake. No wake with that lawnmower. You understand?
The Warren's gonna be over there like, I heard you running
I heard you're running your engine. I heard you running it. So, today we're going to be making some push poles for the boat out of this. And ta-da! So we're gonna get 4/4 inch, 2 inch wire lock round pins. Look like this. $48.63 for 5 of those pins and 2 of those poles. Alright, first test of these pins. Let's see how they hold up. And they made it. Damn! Look at these sexy ass Toyotas. So these are Cabela's push pull paddle attachments. They use them for duck hunting. This little groove right here they use to pull in their duck lines. In David's case, not sure where he went, you use it to unsnag your lures that you get snagged every 5 minutes, sometimes every 2. But these are $16.99. The paddles, the actual top post posts for galvanized fencing was $14, and these pins right here were $4. So we're gonna go ahead right now and we're gonna drill our first pinhole, see how it holds up. But ideally we're gonna put in 2 pinholes. Always wear your art protection. So I'm going to do the other side a little bit differently. I'm going to mark it off. Because that was a little crooked when I was going in. Hi, David. David came supervising. It's your new lure snatcher, David?
Got a micromanage.
I'm wearing my safety here.
You can make this out of steel.
Think you could?
A 1/4 inch plate. Like real heavy duty. Got a vise that can hold it.
I have a vise.
I think the camera is catching it to actually drilling.
Alright. Through and through. Really crooked.
Damn. How do you...
How did I even get that crooked?
Why'd you drill through there?
Because that's where I had the hole. Damn it. Fail after fail.
Well, you drill through. You drill one hole,
Yeah.
and then you drill through and come out the other side.
Damn.
How'd you do it?
and one left. Through. You put your pin. Now we have one pin in. That feels pretty solid overall. Nice and solid. I'm going to put a second pin, maybe. I don't even know if I need a second pin. That's like super solid. Super solid one pin. This is what I'm on the innings. Don't put pin in the paddle. But I'm going to put one more extra pin in here for safety. And extra pins. One is none. Two is one. So it was pretty solid in the configuration that it was in. But we're going to drill out a second hole through here for both sides to put two set of pins. Make it just even more solid. Who needs a vise? Alright. So now we got two sets of pins. So this thing should not be randomly falling off on you. It's really solid. Really solid. Alright, so we got the first paddle done. So this one's going to go on the 14 footer, the tractor, because it'll take that length no problem. But the SS tin can's got some length problems because of the V-hole shape. And we're going to make this one shorter. So we're going to drill out this rivet right here. And we're going to put it inside the end of here. Cut this guy in half. And then the pin is going to go through the center of that and connect them. So that way the pole is collapsible. Alright, so we drilled out both sides of the rivets there. And now we have this. So we ran into a small problem. We thought it would fit inside of here, but it doesn't. It barely is off. So we're gonna try to fix it with this thing. So I think I shaved off enough material here. I'm gonna get a mallet right now and try to tap it into the pipe inside of you. It's even crimped in there. We got extra plastic keys to keep it stiff. I like. We measured this out so that it's in half, and we're gonna chop saw it right there.
Through and through. We'll clean off the edges with the burrs and they won't get cut.
David.
Yep. So you clean up the burge off with the wire there. That one bites a little bit more. Then you'll do the other. So you want to make sure it's not sharp.
Alright, so now we got cheap, super strong paddle push poles. A one piece, which is going to go on my 14 footer, and then a 2-piece, which is going to go on the SS Tin Can. I guess if you really wanted to, you could put a paddle on each end, and it would be like a kayak paddle, a big one. For your front deck. Somebody wants to pull that one off.
Yeah, be nice to make it a shallow anchor.
Actually, that would be really nice. If you put something on the back of the boat, you could put that through and put straight down, and yeah, it would act as a shallow anchor, no problem. The material is really strong. It's made for fences. So the struggle is now getting it home after I made it. So the 2-piece sits in there just fine. The 1-piece is like way over here. So just keep that in mind if you want to keep it 1-piece. Alright, so 2-piece are riding like that. The 1-piece, they're riding like that home. But I had an extra pin. Alright, so 2 ways you can use this thing. So it's stiff, so you can use it as a push pull. So you can push the boat like so. Or say you're jammed up against something, you can put that in there and then pry it against your boat, get you up. And then you can also use it as a traditional paddle. One idea that I had, but David doesn't know, is if you're standing on the front deck and you had 2 of the paddles on there, you could be like, but David thinks that's too much. And then, if you did the extra mod, you shaved everything down, you could have a 2-piece instead of a 1-piece. But the choice is yours. This is going on my 14 foot and staying the way it is. This is going on the SS Tin Can 12 foot. There's the long tails.